Welcome to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're up here on the property today and we can see that some of the Amish have been here working. They're doing a great job. I've never seen a table saw like this. That's pretty cool. And it looks like they've been replacing some of the fascia boards. We got some debris over here. So that's great news. I'm really happy to see that they're up here making some progress. And oh yeah, they replaced the fascia board and they got the side up. Oh, that's great. That's looking really, really good. So we got to get some lumber for him today. We brought up some 2x4s and I got to go to their house and pick up some more rough cut lumber. So we're going to be up here doing some remodeling today. This is going to be really awesome. We're going to rip out this wall and see the condition of this. The vanity is going to go, the toilet, sink, and hopefully we'll be able to get a better idea of the condition of this room. So that's what we're going to get started on today. Again, thanks for joining us. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button. Really helps me and it helps the channel. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great. Helps the algorithm there as well. God knows which one it is. We're gonna lift up.
Yep, off the bolts off. That's busted. She's busted.
All right, that's good to know. Perfect.
Yeah, that's probably another reason it was leaking right there.
Okay.
Doesn't look bad though. It need to be cleaned up a little bit. Probably slap a new tile on that, no problem.
Well, we gotta see why it leaks now on the bottom, so. That's cool.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Man, dude.
Here, move.
No, I don't want that in there.
Look, we found a snake in the wall. All right, as you can see, we've managed to get this whole wall cleared out. So we've determined that basically all the sill plate here and the sill plate here are completely rotten. And then up there, the sill plate needs to be replaced. And then we'll have to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 or 8 2x4s in total. And then the plywood on the outside and probably this piece of corner plywood here. So this is it's pretty intense. I mean, there's some serious damage here, but I believe that it is repairable with a little bit of elbow grease. Alright, so what we're going to do is we got to rip the floor out. A lot of that's all rotted, and we got to get to the sill plate and some of the timber underneath and see exactly how bad it is, and then rip it out and replace it. And then we can try to get this corner wall back together. I did speak with some of the Amish folks, and they said that they're going to help us out with this, but I'd like to get a jump on it for them and get this floor started so that when they come up here, maybe they can spend more time repairing it than trying to rip things apart. I feel like it's a better use of time and money. And the floor is rotted all the way over to here. Like I can almost go through the floor. It's crazy. You know, all I gotta say is, thank God for cordless tools. Alright, so as you can see, there's a giant hole here, and I got another giant hole here. These are all the rotted boards. It's so hot. These are all the rotted boards, so I got most of the floor ripped apart. I can see the sill plate down below, so I'm hoping with that being done, at least that gives us an idea what we need to do moving forward and how to get this repaired. Alright, so I'm going to try to get the Spypoint camera. I'm going to take a 4x6 pier that I found, and I'm going to put it in a bucket, and I'm going to put the Spypoint camera somewhere over here in this area so that I can track people coming and going off the property. So let's go ahead and get this thing made. All right. Well, we've had a long day here on the property. We got this floor ripped out. Look at this mess, these holes. The amount of wood that needs to be replaced here is amazing. So I went and I talked to the Amish folks, the two gentlemen that are helping me. I believe that they're going to help me repair this, so that's really good news. I should learn more on Monday. They're going to be coming up here a few days next week. Hopefully Monday, Tuesday. They're skipping Wednesday for some reason, then Thursday and Friday. So we should be able to see where the outcome is. But clearly you can see that I need a new floor in here. And, oh man, just a lot of work. But it's going to have to get done. I'm excited about it. So thanks for joining me on another edition of Mad River Outdoors. Make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. What would you do if you were me? I love any input or ideas that the audience might have. Again, thanks for sharing this dream with me. Appreciate it. And I'll talk to you on the next episode.